I'm excited about my new toy. It's a Dewalt DW735 planer. It's been on my list of things to get. It's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Time to unbox it and use it for an arbor that I'm building for my daughter's wedding. This thing is heavy. Don't try to pick it up by yourself like I did. Must be the dust collector. Pick it up with these handles. Use your back. Whew. Man, that thing's heavy. Good thing this table is nice and sturdy. T-handle, that's kind of nice. A Torx bit. So I need to set this up for my 2.5-inch hose. There's a pin that depresses here, and then on the other side, it just snaps into place. So the key is to get this depressed. Get the other end lined up. There we go. One rotation is equal to 1/16 of an inch. And over here on the side is a scale for your finished product. Be sure it's set above 1 1/4 inch before trying to set the tools. So it's not going above that, which means I gotta raise the carriage. As you can see, the carriage is set to a little bit above an inch. You need to go at least 1 1/4 inches, it says. Okay, now I should be able to put the stop anywhere I want. Okay, now I can go anywhere I want with this stop. This is the speed adjustment, 2 speeds. I'll be leaving it on 1 for mine. It says not to switch this unless the planer is running, so keep that in mind. To use this removal gauge, says it's going to take off 1/16. You slide whatever material you're going to plane, and then it tells you how much you're going to remove. I want to go to a 32nd. I'll start with a 32nd. See how that works. Okay, it's ready to go. Ready to feed a 2x4 through and get started on my arbor. Let's see if we can get this shot back dust collection to work. Love this remote trigger. It does have snipe at the end, which I expected, but all in all, I'm very happy that I got my planer. What a game changer. Maybe it's time to upgrade my dust collection. Wow. This thing creates a lot of sawdust, so I'm going to test this out by running one board through 4 times a 32nd each pass. and then I'll check my bucket, my sawdust bucket on my dust collection and see how much it generates. That way it can give me a feel for how often I need to empty that thing while I'm running though. So this is one 2x4. And there we go with the static. That's amazing. All the static this thing creates. Yeah, I'd say I'll have to empty this every other 2x4. Okay, this is after running 2 bores through, taking off a 1/16 on each side with 4 passes. And yeah, time to empty it. Look at that static. It's incredible.